In this video I show how to replace LCD screen on Lenovo S12 laptop. First thing is to power off your laptop by holding the power button for about 5 seconds. Then close the lid and turn the laptop over and take out the battery. Then turn the laptop over and open the lid again. And at the top of the screen you'll find 2 plastic cap covers. Remove those. First you'll find 2 screws. Unscrew them using the usual regular Phillips screwdriver. Take the screws and put them in a safe place. Then, starting at the top, using your fingernails, pry off the bezel, the LCD bezel, slowly and carefully so as not to break the bezel, especially when you work at the bottom of it. Take out the plastic bezel, put it aside, and next you need to take out the plastic hinge cover caps. So there are 2 shiny caps at the top of the hinge covers. Twist them counterclockwise. You can take them out, place them aside, and then you can take off the plastic hinge covers. Do it on each side. Then you're facing the LCD screen attached to the metal frame. To unscrew the bottom 4 screws on each side of the screen, halfway. Don't unscrew them all the way, just halfway is fine. So on each side of the screen you unscrew 2 small screws holding the LCD screen to the frame. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Once you unscrew the screws, you can see the LCD screen is basically free to move, and then at the top you need to unplug the 4-pin wire that goes to the camera, and on the back of the screen you'll need to unplug the LCD wire by pulling it down. Then you take out the old screen, put it aside, take the new screen, and basically do the same procedure in reverse. First, take the wire that goes to the monitor and push the wire into where it's supposed to sit. there is a clear tape tape it back to the screen and take the second wire, the 4-pin wire, and attach it at the top of the back of the laptop cover. And make sure the screen sits snugly and the wires do not obstruct the screen, especially at the back. Then you need to attach the new screen to the metal frame with the small screws. 2 screws go on each side of the screen. It would be easy if you first put the screws on top of the screwdriver. Now make sure you screw back the 4 screws at the bottom of the screen on each side. 4 screws here and 4 screws here. Screw them in all the way. Now you're ready to put back the plastic hinge covers and the caps on top. Once you put the caps, turn them clockwise until they snap. Then take the plastic bezel and starting at the bottom, attach it back to the screen. Until all snaps into place. And take the screws and screw them back at the top of the screen. And put the plastic screw caps back in place. And turn the laptop over and put the battery back in.